Okay guys, hello there. In this video I'll try to explain to you how I personally installed the Ubuntu server with the latest PHP version, or basically the one that you choose. Compare it from the source. Also we're gonna be installing Nginx and Phalcon, of course. This is my first video that I'm recording. I'm not sure it's gonna be the first one that I upload, but it's definitely the first one that I'm recording, so be patient with me, please. One other thing that I want to add is I'm gonna making most of the videos for high beginners, just so everybody can understand what's going on, how it's done. I can go ahead and pre-prepare my videos and fix all the errors that I'm gonna get, but I think the best situation is to show you exactly the full process, so after that, when it happens to you, hopefully I'll be able to somehow help you. So the first step, of course, is gonna be adding the virtual machine. So I'm gonna create I already installed Oracle VM VirtualBox, and we're gonna set up and install Ubuntu server 16.04. To do so, let's create a new virtual machine. Let's just go just call it session 1 or something like this. So let's explain now. Here we set how much memory we want to give to this machine, so I just have plenty, so I'll just leave it at around 5 gigabytes. I want to create a new hard drive for this machine. Yeah, this is fine. So this is where my 40 gigabyte file will be saved. So I'll just say here, please save, okay, and let's give it 40 gigabytes, and then we can move on, I think. Yes. So now, before we launch our machine, I just want to add some additional stuff. For example, where it is, I want to add more CPU. Unfortunately, VMware doesn't support my 8-core processor, but it is what it is, so I don't care. I don't want to share my floppy, neither my... actually, I'm gonna leave this because I think there is are drivers that are possible that Oracle is installing, but I think this is just for desktop Ubuntu, but it doesn't really matter. And I always do this. So storage, blah 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 blah, we don't care. Okay, so yeah, let's go. Now we can power it on. I don't know what that was, but anyways. The version of VMware that I'm using, as you can see, it's 5.1 something. No Bluetooth medible found. Oh yeah, yep. No, I don't want to capture anything, and I can close you. I'm very stupid. I may cut that off, but I'll see later on if I'm gonna upload it. So basically you go to storage, and here we want to choose so we want Ubuntu server, this one. Okay, and we go for OK, and we go start. Now at least we should begin the installer, or at least I hope so. Okay, so you choose your language first and install Ubuntu server. Not that there is a big deal while installing Ubuntu server. I think there is just one thing you can mess, and this is I'll show it to you later. So Europe, I'm from Bulgaria, so just choose the closest server to me. So here you can go and make that wrong. So do not ever press yes, and one other thing, for example, here you can see I'm Bulgarian and it's pre-defaulted Bulgarian. So, and this is Ubuntu server, so there is no mouse. And at the end, if I'm typing in Bulgaria, how would I type a command that will allow me to type in English, for example? So you should be careful with that, I think. Yeah, whatever. And now the installation will start. I may fast forward this in the video, but I'll see. Depends on how long does it go. I think usually it's pretty fast. If something goes wrong here, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to fix it anyways, and this video will have to go to the recycle bin, but that's a different story. So I had to pause the video for a second just so I don't record that as well. Here we typed our hostname, let's just say def or virtu. Doesn't really matter, you can change it afterwards anyways. The name of the user, so we go with Phalcon, continue, username Phalcon, choose the password, we go to 126, see. And here we can confirm our password. Here Ubuntu asks us if we want to use the weak password, and yes, I do. I don't want to encrypt my home directory. Yes, that is correct. Yeah, that is fine because we don't have our right controller, so I don't really want to set up anything at all for this virtual machine. For production usage, there are a couple of things that I usually do, but I guess I'll leave that for another video. I'm actually gonna pause the video again, so just, yeah, see you in a bit. So here we have type our proxy. I guess if you don't know what that is, you just click continue. I'm not sure how many people uses proxy in 2017. Guess that not that many, but I guess if you do, you should type it. But I'm not really sure if it's needed in a virtual machine. I guess how you depends on how you set up your network adapter in the configuration of the virtual machine. I didn't go through that step, maybe because currently I don't think it's important, but I'll see. Let me know down in the comments if you find any troubles with that and you cannot access your virtual machine or you don't have internet on it. I'll just make a quick video about it and explain you which option is what is not, what is breach, and so on. So I'm gonna pause the video again just so we don't watch this crap all the time. So see you again. So here we set our automatic updates. I never actually tried installing it automatically. I always choose no automatic updates, but I do my updates manually, pretty much on weekly basis, so just doesn't really matter, I think, but for the sake, I think no updates should be fine. here I need the open SSH server so we can SSH to that machine with PuTTY or whatever software you're using. And I guess that is it. Virtual machine host is something completely different, so it doesn't really matter we are running it in VirtualBox. But I'm not going to go through that. So I'll pause the video again. Here you want to click yes if you want the system to boot. And let's see what's gonna happen next and if our operation system will start. Actually, this video is already like 10 minutes long, so I thought that's gonna run faster, but I guess because the system doesn't take care of all my 8 cores and it's not installed on the SSD. So I guess that's why it takes a little bit longer than that I expected. And please don't give me any hints, thank you. Oh, nice. So our user was Phalcon and the password was 123456. Woo! And we are on. So, yeah, let's say one more thing in this video before I end it. To see the Windows, to see the IP of our virtual machine, we simply type ifconfig, and now once we are seeing it, we can SSH to it. Now I'm using mobile external as a SSH client. I guess you can use whatever suits you best. I'm used to this one, so I'm just gonna use it. You can use PuTTY if you want and stuff like this. If you don't know how to set up it, please let me know down in the comments so I can make a short video about how to use PuTTY. So we can SSH to our machine. Was it like this? I don't remember. No? Yeah, it won't work. Yeah, and I know why. Yeah, so I said that about the network adapters, the one that I screwed. So now, as you can see, basically I don't have ping or actually any connection to this virtual machine. So let me just show you for a second how to fix that. First we need to power off the machine. We go here, we go settings, and on network we choose bridged adapter. And I don't want to bridge it with my WOGMI Hamachi adapter. I want it to bridge it with my actually one card. So we click OK, we click Start, and see what will happen now. Go, 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 go. So now if we type config and so now it's my home network. So if we ping that now, just to be sure I didn't screw something up. Okay, so now we can SSH it to it. At least I'm hoping so. Yes, I know that. We can type our password and yes, you can save it. Thank you very much. So as you can see now, we are in the virtual machine, and this is where I will end this video, because well, basically it's gonna be just the installation of Ubuntu server, and the next one will begin to install the PHP, Zephyr, compile Phalcon, and some other stuff. So I hope to see you there. Ciao.